Okay, hello you guys. Today is February 10th, 2019, and today we're going over our biochemical testing of our, let me hope I say it right, our microbial, okay, so it's the biochemical testing, which is our carbohydrate fermentation testing. And so the first thing we had to do was take our incubated vials from week 2 and transfer them into our red vials, which I made a mistake and didn't get to record before I began. So I'm going to just give a little description of what we had to do. We had to grab 6 of our Durham test tubes, which are small tubes, like small little tubes, and we had to take our phenol red broths, our 9 milliliters, and we had to take our pass to our C cervase, our S cervasive, I think, and our S epidermitis, and we had to transfer them to our phenol. And then also with transferring that, we had our fructose, our glucose, and our mannitol powder in here. Now, I've transferred everything, and today what we're going to be doing is, bring you guys in, we're going to be actually viewing and observing the finished results. I incubated it for 12 hours before looking at it, and they were still red. And then when I went back an extra 12 hours, there are different colors now. One of our vials was actually, it wasn't red, it was like orange maybe. So we're gonna go into that. So our fermenter with acid, we have our fermenter with acid production only. We have our fermenter with acid and gas production, and a no fermenter. So we're going to be determining which is which. So we're going to first take our one S cervasive. This was the one that was orange. It wasn't really red. So observing, this would have to be, it has a bubble in it. Oh, and you can see the bacteria in it as well. So it has a bubble in the tube. I would say that's our fermenter with acid and gas production. So that's our number one. It's evasive. Next, we're gonna take our number one. Let's find it. As I put it in the incubator's place, I didn't want them to fall over, so I sort of took a rubber band. So, our S. epidermitis, number one, it doesn't have any, so I'm going to say a non-fermenter. But I do see, this would happen to be a fermenter with, I would say, acid and gas, because it has that bubble in between. So we're now going to go to number 2, S. cervasive. I see bubbles as well, so we're going to say this is a fermenter with acid and gas. S. epidermis 2, which this one would be about the same. The fermenter, I don't see any production there, so I'm gonna say a non-fermenter. Oh, and these are yellow now. I have one that isn't yellow. I would say this is a fermenter with acid and gas, because I see the bubbles in the inside. And the last one we have is our number 3. I would say this is an acid only. So, there you guys have it. And then this one is still a bit red. So there you guys have it. This is our week 5. And I'm hoping to see you guys next week.